We'll just wait for another 1 more minute and we'll start. Offers and informs to device to communicate. So guys, we'll quickly start. It's already 8:32. So as I told you that today's class is gonna be most interesting session for all of you, because in today's session we are all going to learn about how to create your own designs without depending on any photographer. A lot of us, what we do, we actually have to depend on multiple tools, and we need to do a lot of editing and stuff in order to get our pictures really worthy enough to share with someone. So in today's session, we are going to discuss about how you can design and customize your own photographs so that you can use them on social media. So for this particular session, I wanted to let you all know that we need to take help of a tool, and the tool's name is canva.com. It's a very powerful tool, and I'm going to explain you, and the most important thing is it's a free version. Okay. So this is the tool which I wanted to talk about. The name of this tool is called as canva.com, and in case if you're going through the pricing part of it, you can understand it's a free version. If you are an individual person and you are running some business from your home and you want to actually display your products and you want to communicate to the customers, then this is a fantastic tool for you. In case if you are a business person, then probably you need to go for pro version or enterprise version, and this is a free tool, and the free tool offers you 8,000 plus free templates that you can use, and you can create different kinds of templates like a Facebook profile pic or Facebook page. When you're creating a Facebook page, you can use your photographs there. You can use it to create a YouTube thumbnail. You can create resumes. You can do 100 plus designs related to social media. You can also create something related to Instagram and all, and hundreds and thousands of free photographs, designs, everything are available so that you can customize from the options that are available. So let's get into the tool now. So you go here, you simply have to go to your home page. I have already logged in. In case if you don't have it, you need to sign up for this account just like how you have signed up for your Facebook. And look at the beauty of it. You can create so many designs, and here it will give you option. You want to create a Facebook ad, you want to create a YouTube thumbnail, you want to create a desktop wallpaper, you want to create a Facebook post, and there are so many options. And imagine, just by clicking a pic using your mobile and posting it on social media might not really be of great worth, because if your pictures are great, they are like butter for your bread. And you need to ensure that you design it by self with zero cost without depending on anybody. The only importance that I give in my training is I talk about free tools, and when I talk about free tools, it will be saving a lot of money for my trainees, and that is the value addition I try to give it or pass on to them. Now we are starting off with Canva, and if you look at it, let's go ahead and create a Facebook ad. Let's do a live session. So see, here it is giving a specification. For a Facebook ad, you need to have a 1200 into 628 px. That's a pixel. If you're going for a YouTube thumbnail, this is how it has to be. Now, whatever pictures of mine are there on my YouTube channel, in case if you people might have observed, in case if you people might have clearly observed, when you people click on it and go to the YouTube channel, there are so many pictures. All these pictures, all these 100 odd pictures, I have only used it using this fantastic tool by name Canva.com. Let it be my Facebook profile pic, whatever it is, Canva has been a great source for me and without depending on any paid tool. So let's get into deep, let's dive deep into Canva. So now if I actually go here in Canva, it gives you an option to create a Facebook ad. So let's go ahead. See, I'll just show you for Facebook one. You can try out the remaining by yourself. Whatever is your requirement, you can try out. More or less the features are the same. Now, if you go by here, here are already custom designed templates. You might have seen these templates in my YouTube channel or on my Facebook. Whenever I post something, I use them. See how simple it is. Now I wanted to actually, I'll give you an example. Okay, I'll just show you how already created templates first so that you will understand how powerful this tool is. I'm just showing you some Canva pics that I have. Okay, so these are some professional Canva pics that I have created. And if you look at it, once it is ready, this is a kind of image it will give it to you. Okay, this is a full image, or probably you wanted to actually go for it. This is a Canva image. So it gives you a complete picture as to, you know, how you can actually use it. So this is something and this is something. See, how does this Canva thing help? You can put a mixture of something and you can add some logos. You can add some text to it. These pics, actually you might be very far. You might not be so clearly visible. But using in Canva, you can make the adjustments. You can drag the photographs in such a way that your photo is clearly visible to your audience. So whatever additions and all you can do, that is why it is called as an infographic. It has an inbuilt graphic, like how the camera, when you are taking a pic, you use the lens to go forward and back. So you can do a little bit of adjustment in Canva. And I'll give you one more fantastic example as to how this has helped me. So these are all the pictures which I've done with Canva. All these things are Canva thing. So when you actually are able to see, create something like this great, then automatically your customers or your traffic will be interested in reading the article. Very clearly and very recently, I have actually done something. 1 minute, probably, yeah. Recently, I had one of my manager's birthday and I wanted to create something. So look at the way I designed it. I wanted to ensure that I give her one collateral, one kind of a pic where everybody are involved. So this is our complete team. See, how does it sound to you? Everybody faces are clearly visible and you have actually put their picture in the middle and you have ensured that entire team is conveying her a happy birthday wish. So this is how you can create designs, and this designs you can create in just 5 minutes. If you have the photographs handy, all the time that you are going to spend on is selecting the photographs. And once you select the photograph, similarly, I've done it for one of my managers, like senior manager's birthday. So this is how I did it. So probably you can add something like a happy birthday on the wall and something like this. So how do you actually go ahead and do all these things is something that we are going to learn in Canva today. So for all these things, I use one option in Canva, and that is called as grid tool. So I'm going to show you that right from the scratch. So for example, here you go. See, for people who logged in late, I just wanted to let you know that all we did was we went to this tool called as canva.com. This is the home page. Once you sign up, like Facebook account, how did you create? You need to create an account on Canva. And once you create an account on Canva, you say create design. There are so many options in Canva with different sizes. And these sizes will automatically fit on your Facebook. These will fit on your YouTube. These can be your desktop wallpapers. These can be for your Facebook posts. These are for Facebook ads. So different sizes are custom design templates which you can use and insert your images on top of them and simply use it, and these will give you great appearance to your audience. So this is what we are going to learn today. I'm just going to show you one post, and the remaining you can try it out yourself because more or less the process is the same. So we're going for Facebook ad, and once we go there, you have to search for something called as grid images. I do it very often, grid. And once you go for, grid tool, you just check for grid. In the element section, go to the element section. In the element section, you check for grid. So these are all the grids, okay, where you can put the photographs. Now, if you look at it, if I'm actually selecting some kind of a photograph, okay, say for example, I'm just selecting something of this sort, okay. I have taken 3 image picture, okay. Now see what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go there. There is an option called as uploads. From here you can upload. Whenever you upload, if you go here, you can try finding out something from your desktop. You can upload something. I will try to use already selected, or if I need to go there, see for example, I'm just giving you, you go here, you go to Funny Kiran or something. Where is it? Personal pics. Yes, photos. So you go here, probably you go and you try to select some classroom pics or something like that. So I will take, you can use the control button to select multiple at one go, okay, and you just say open it, and you see there is a blue color water button. The moment this is done, these pictures will load it, then it will become all right. You can see the loading time, you can check it out here. So I've just taken 4 for your convenience. And see how beautiful the tool works. I'm just gonna click here, okay. I'm just gonna click on the pic and the pic comes here. And now I'm going to drag it and put it in any one of the boxes, wherever I want it. So now I want to ensure that I'm clearly visible, and I want to cover up this wall. I want to cover up this empty space and make it more creative. So I'm just going to double click on the image, and you just need to adjust it, so that the image completely covers the people and it eliminates the empty space. Similarly, you want to put something else, okay, you can probably select another pic and probably put the pic on top, and then you just click on it and drag it in such a way that only the people are clearly visible. So whenever you're doing it for different colleges or something, this is something which is amazing tool. And probably you can take one more and just drag it. So now if I want to adjust it, I want to ensure that you're more clearly visible. So this is how it is, or maybe you want to put it a little for up, whatever way it is. And now once you have it, you have these elements, right? You can just go there, click there, and probably remove the grid and say enter. Now you have different images, okay? These are all predefined images. So I can put something here of this sort. I'm just clicking on that, and here I have this. Now what do I go? I go to uploads, and I'll say upload an image, or if I already have it, then it saves time. Yes, I'll try to use this. So all your images will be saved here, guys, for your future requirement. You can either upload an image from your laptop or system, or you can use these images here. And once you use this, ensure that you put it inside. And now you double click on it and do the adjustment. And you feel that this is a little larger in space, so you can also reduce the size of it. And you can actually take it up and put it somewhere like this. So this is just an example, guys. You can play around with Canva, and if you want to type some text, you have a text option here. You simply select it, and probably you want to say something. You can just click on it, say I like this, so I'll say thank you. The moment I click thank you, it will come here, and I want to edit it, okay? I can delete this. I'll use only this. So whatever you need it, you keep it. Whatever you don't need it, you can delete it. So here you can say that learn digital marketing for free. So probably I need to reduce the size of it. I'll go there and probably I'll reduce the size here, just like how you do for Word or anything. Okay, I'll make it 18, or maybe I'll make it something a little bigger, 32. And then I can rotate it. As you can see, you can actually rotate it. This one I can delete it. Okay. So whatever it is, you can just drag it and you can just enter somewhere. Now you can check this out and try to take it nearby. Or maybe let me just check this out. Learn digital. Okay. So all these boxes and all will not be coming in the image when you give a print, and simply you can just rotate it or use it whatever way you want. You can take it wherever you want. You can say that simply learn digital. You feel that it is contradicting with the color, then you can simply select that and you can mention it as any of the colors that you want. You can change the color for it. Or maybe you can just use it. Here you have effects, you can use it. Text color, you can change it. Make it something like blue and see how it works. See, I'm not that great in, designing and all. I also just started learning here. So people who have very good color combination, who are artists and all, those people will be the right judge in terms of giving the best color options and all. So I'm just trying to show you like how to change it just by simply clicking here. And if you want to bring it somewhere near, you can again try to drag it and bring it on top. Learn digital. So whatever way, you can just play around with it and see. Just the beauty of it is it looks like a very small pic, but the moment you download it, it becomes a very big pic. It will say download and you can see it will try to prepare your design. And the moment you say close, you can see it already downloaded here. I think it's still download. This is how the image will come, and this will cover your complete Facebook. For example, you have something on top of Facebook here. Just a second, yeah. So probably you have some space here now when you go to your main page. So probably you go to your home page or something. You want to create a Facebook page. Yeah, this place. As you can see, this update cover photo. Here you can put the cover photo using Canva. This is how I did it using Canva. Okay, so imagine, look at the size it has, the kind of size it was reflecting. So whatever you downloaded, you have seen that it will be in your downloads. Basically, you go here, my computer, your downloads, you will find it here. So this is what we have created just now. So this is a kind of thing that you can use for your Facebook page. Don't you think this is amazing, guys? Because you don't spend a single rupee and you can design your thing. See, I have my daughter who also uses Canva. She's very much inspired with it. And she has done a video on Canva. She's just studying her first standard and her name is Hasini. And she uses Canva to design something. She did something like this for her friendship day to inform her friends, did some kind of crazy art. And for my dad's birthday, she has done something. She did, all these images were done by her using Canva. So all these things, you know, she was primarily using it. When a kid who is just studying first standard can do it, I mean, today there are so many editing tools, and I'm sure that you people want the best of the best tool. And when it comes for free of cost, I think you can always try it out. So ideally what happens, this gives you some kind of a feeling that yes, there is a tool which can help you to drive traffic for everything. Now say for example, you can also create videos here. When you go to the probably Facebook ads or something. You also have an option where you can search for videos. Say for example, I have a video here. Okay, so if there are any, I don't know whether I have uploaded any videos or so, but yeah, here I have some videos. So probably you can play any of them. So what my daughter did was she actually identified one particular image of a cell phone or something, and she used it in the PPT, and she just put those photographs. So automatically the video will continue playing. So this is how it will come. You'll have something video playing. So that is how you can use. I'm just showing you that you can create a small video. Say for example, you have created a new website. Welcome to my website. My website, this thing is this. Imagine you put something like that on Facebook posting. How does it sound? Amazing, right? So you're just trying to clarify your visitors that this website is about health and fitness. This website is about technology and latest trends in technology. If you are looking for something related to mobile phones, this is the right place for you. Just a small video. The moment people log into your Facebook page, they're very clear whether their search will end there, and they will start exploring your website more or your Facebook page or whatever it is. So anything and everything, you can use videos, probably you can design your pictures, and you can do everything and anything using this simple tool called as canva.com. Now, I just wanted to let you guys know that in case you want to explore this tool further and you want to have more understanding about Canva and all, see here you have this background. So basically you can select any kind of background. Maybe you can, whatever background you feel like. This is you can see here, right? This is a free background that you can use. So similarly for photographs and all, when you actually get into the Facebook pages and all, there you have a lot of free images, and there are some premium images which are paid images. So you should identify which one is free images and which one is paid image. So whatever is free, ideally you can use all those things. Whatever is not free, that is probably chargeable. So you have to understand, see this is a pro version. That means if you need this image, then you need to pay $1 for this image, which is around 70 rupees. So for example, you're designing something and you're ready to invest some money because you want to give a rich experience to your customers, then it is advisable you go for a paid version. And if you don't want to do that, you are satisfied with, trust me guys, the free tools are more than enough in Canva. It gives you almost 8,000 free designs and templates. What else do you need? And whatever you want to design, everything is available here. So with this, as I told you, I would be ending my session and I would keep it open for Q&A session. In case you have any doubts, I can show you wherever you are stuck up. And before that, I wanted to let you know that whenever you are actually going to my YouTube channel, the exercise that I'm going to give you is probably browse these videos on canva.com. You can go here. See, I have done these videos, how to use Canva to create simple and good looking images. Part 1, part 2. And I'm going to upload today's webinar also on my YouTube channel. So these three, they're only like 5-minute, 6-minute videos, guys. So if you're able to go through them, now you understand that if you have photographs which are ready-made, then designing something great will hardly take 2 to 3 minutes. And imagine your loved ones, your friends, your managers, your colleagues, everyone will really feel interesting because you are ensuring that you're preparing a collage where everybody are there and their faces are very clear by dragging their images like upward and downwards. So that's the beauty of this Canva tool. Last Sunday, I was occupied. I was doing a small video with my daughter, and she actually knows all the states and capitals of India and also the neighboring states of India and their capitals. So I did a video on them, and you see that it's just 2 days ago. I uploaded it on last Sunday, and you can see I got 245 views and 70 views. So, I mean, I just wanted to tell you that, you know, YouTube is really famous. It will make you famous when you know that the images are good. So probably what happened, I just stumbled upon a video on YouTube where I have seen some UKG or a first standard girl narrating all the states and capitals. I showed it to my daughter and she said that, Dad, I also want to do like this. So I said, you learn this. So she saw the video 3-4 times. So what did their parents might have done? They might have taken a video and uploaded it on YouTube. And what did I do differently? I have actually created her, I have taken her picture. I have, taken a pic of India. I have clubbed both of them and used it as a thumbnail. And here I have given states and capital and used the keywords states and capitals. So here I have given states and capitals of neighboring states and capitals. I have used multiple keywords like Hasini, baby Hasini, states and capitals by a kid, learn states and capitals. So India states and capitals. So used multiple keywords using which the search volume will be increasing and you will get traffic. So this is how you can actually make a huge impact to your YouTube channel when you know how to create great images that you can use them as thumbnails. Is it very clear to all of you guys? So these videos you can go through, and this recording also I'll be making it available to you by tonight or max by tomorrow. And you have any questions, now I'm open for Q&A session. And just wanted to let you know, in tomorrow's session I'm going to cover something related to this thing. Like for example, you see this personality development interview tips, and when you go down you get this pop-up. How to get this pop-up is what I'm going to cover in tomorrow's session. And you know what, guys? You have learned about how to create a website, how to upload images, how to create your own images. And now when you know how to generate this lead form, you are all good to create your own websites and develop them. Don't you think that's amazing? It's just a week session on website creation and development. And I wanted to give everything that I know. And tomorrow's session, I'm going to cover this. This is very important because you have a website, you ask your customers to visit. You don't know how many people have visited. You don't even know how many people are actually clicking here and registering and how this form will perform. Now I'll show you just the basics of it. This is a tool I used. And if you look at the beauty of it, I'm just showing you the beauty of it. So this is linked to my website and it gives me the count. I have 3 things that I have posted on my thing. All 3 are active, and this is the one which is a pop-up. See, there are almost 195 people saw this, but they didn't click on it. There are 303 people saw this, but they didn't click on it. So this is something like this, which you find it on my blogs page. That is inside my website. So since it is very inside, people might not seen this. They might not have registered for a 30-day online training on digital marketing. So they might have lost on it. But if you look at it, this is free sign up for my blog posts. There are 195 people who have came, and this also you might have seen it. Beneath my posts, you find this. Please sign up. If you want to know more about my content, you want to be the first person to know about my posts, new things on digital, new things about free tools that you can use in digital marketing and how they will benefit you, those articles, please subscribe here, because hardly anybody know about digital marketing. That is the beauty about it. And there is one more thing, and out of all 3, this is my best performing banner. Though I am putting that banner, only 4.52% people are coming. That is, I got 66 conversions. That means 66% people have clicked on this ad, which is none other than my pop-up bar. This pop-up bar has got me 66 interested candidates in digital marketing, which means you can understand that this is converting my traffic into customers who are interested to know about digital marketing and benefit from my offering. So I just wanted to let you know this basic things. How do we create this? All these things, how do we link it to your website? This is what is going to be the session for tomorrow. So in case you feel that this kind of a form is required on your website and it will help you to get traffic free of cost, maybe you will not miss my session tomorrow on this. So That's all from my side, guys. So any questions? It's open to you. We just have around 10 more minutes left. Any questions? I'm ready to take them up. Guys, any questions? But tell me one thing, guys. There are 15 people. I just wanted to take your genuine feedback. How did you like the session so far? I think we have almost completed 15 days of digital marketing training. And I wanted to take a personal feedback as to, am I going too fast, or are you finding it difficult to understand the subject, or is it really helping you guys? Just you can give the feedback on the chat, or you can just unmute yourself and give your genuine feedback, because I also need to understand where I need to improve if required. Anybody? Anybody who want to say? But are you all understanding at least what we are covering?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great, great.
Sir, this is Sai Narayana. I have one doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell me, Sai Narayana.
Sir, in this Canva, we have lot of options, a lot of websites. I mean, YouTube, Facebook posts. We can make the dimensions are mentioned there. I think.
Yeah. So
I can
automatically it will auto fit into your
it will
thumbnail.
convert it. Okay. Automatically it converts.
Automatically.
And we can see with the same dimensions we can do from Photoshop. I mean, I have some knowledge about Photoshop. In Photoshop, this Corel Draw, we can do from that also with the same dimensions. We can upload.
The more you know the tools, the better it is. For a digital marketer, the tools are everything. So I'm just giving you this tool. See, even I don't know anything about photography. I know how to click photos on mobile. I don't even do any editing on my mobile. If I have to do any editing, I'll bring it onto Canva. I will just adjust the size.
It's a very easy platform. You are saying that it's a very easy platform.
It's
by
a
seeing this, I am
friendly.
also understand. Yeah, user friendly. Yeah, I am getting, sir. But the templates are also very, very good. I mean, we can see.
Yeah, see, you have so many templates. You can
attractive templates are there.
Yes, yes. All these templates. Attractive. Independence Day is coming. You want to design your logos.
Yeah, fine.
These are all
exactly.
there. YouTube thumbnails are there where you can simply
Yeah, nowadays now there are some people are earning from WhatsApp also. For WhatsApp, they are doing business designs, making for enterprises, organization. They are doing in WhatsApp designs and they are sharing to the organizations. By that designs also nowadays people are earning.
Very true, very true. I agree with you, Sainar, and completely agree with you.
So by this Canva, that is also a good. I mean, anyone can do from this Canva.
Yeah, anybody. See, I don't know anything.
Yeah.
If you ask me, I don't know any. I have zero knowledge about photography. I have never done any editing on my mobile phone.
It's looking like difference between HTML and WordPress. It's like WordPress, sir.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I told you. See, digital marketing, I will teach you in such a way in this 30-45 days where you don't know any coding. You can still be a great digital marketer. That is what I promised in the beginning of the session, right?
Yes.
So hardly you have come across any coding anywhere. And the best part about digital marketing is, even if you attend my 14th session or 15th session or 20th session, even in the middle of a session, you'll be able to easily connect to the subject.
Exactly.
Yes.
Everything is fine. I mean, by your classes, we are learning a lot.
That's really nice, yeah. That's always good to hear.
And thank you so much for this, sir.
Most welcome.
This Canva, seriously, I don't know all these days, sir. I used to.
No, see, I'll tell you what, guys. There are some millions of tools that are available. See, if somebody is taking you 6 months time to train you on digital marketing, that is only because they will be teaching you more tools. So if somebody is able to perform better than me on the digital marketing platform, that is only possible because he might be using a paid tool which is giving him more analysis. See, for example, imagine if I need to go to YouTube. Now I have created 100 videos. Very recently, from the last 10 videos, I started inserting keywords on YouTube videos. Now, if I need to do it for all 90, I don't have time. But if I don't insert keywords, then my videos will not rank high in Google search results or YouTube search results. Without doing any paid advertising, you can see that some videos are ranking, some videos are not ranking. Because people are not aware, and I am not doing any advertising. See, there are only 1 view, 2 view. It's all new. But if you look at it, the strategy is very simple. I have organized content, I have ready-made content, and I'm making content on digital marketing now. Once digital marketing is also ready, it will also enter into the playlist. So playlists are basically created where you actually have a sequential way of learning things. So once digital marketing also comes, I'm going to promote this channel. So I might probably spend 1,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees on Google ads and Facebook ads, but the kind of traffic I'll get now, when people realize the importance of these videos, then you will automatically hit this link. So because in YouTube there is a concept, in YouTube, when I take the YouTube session, I'll just show you guys in detail. In YouTube there is something called as monetization. You have something called as monetization, and if you people are actually checking this out, here is the monetization. If you are getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours, then trust me, YouTube is going to pay you money for your any advertisements or any other further views. Anybody who watches more than these number of views, then YouTube will be giving you paid advertising, and they're going to pay you for it. And this is an example of where you are just sleeping and earning money. Why so many people are using YouTube? Now what does Google do? It will run algorithm every now and then, and when it runs algorithm, those algorithms will clear all the junk stuff. So for example, if everybody are uploading junk, there is a lot of unwanted stuff on YouTube, and YouTube is owned by Google right now. So what will happen when Google runs this algorithm? If you people are not doing it with proper hard work, millions of users will get affected, where their videos, their websites, everything will enter into Google sandbox, and they are not fetchable anymore by Google. If you follow any wrong competitive strategies and all those videos will get bounced. So if you want to ensure that your content is safe, keep on adding content to your thing, and there will be one good day when you just promote everything, and the day you promote everything, trust me guys, you are going to see revenue out of it. So this is digital marketing is something that will not give you money immediately. There are 100 number of ways of earning money, but everything will come with lot of patience. Like you need to study 5 years law course to become a professional lawyer, and after you become a lawyer, you need to spend at least 6-7 years to learn from your mistakes and then prove yourself as a professional. Similarly, in digital marketing, this is a time where you need to have a website. This is a time where you need to learn everything in detail and start developing your audience, your traffic and everything. And you need to think it as a retirement plan. By the time you retire, this should become like a bank balance, like a fixed deposit where you get interest. You should start earning interest from all the platforms in digital marketing. That should be your area of thinking. Don't go with a blind assumption that I did digital marketing, so I'll not do anything. You need to have a parallelly a job. Even if you get 10,000, 20,000 job, that's okay. Go ahead, take it up and use your free time to create content and develop content, and then create your traffic. And once you have trusted traffic, one day go very big so that you become number one. That is a